And let's move to the collaboration type of assignment in using Google Classwork. Personally, I sometimes using this type of assignment when we are dealing with presentation type or collaboration type of assignment. So let me create some assignment, for example. We can give the title, this is collaboration. You can choose the files. I already made the files. For example, if this is using Google Classroom, Google Slides, and you can make it students. This is the topic, it's assigned to the, for example, because it's presentation, I will make it 3 days or 4 days. And this is the important factor. So instead of using make a copy for each student, you can use this one. Students can edit the file. So if you want to make all of the students working in one file, you can choose this one, all of the students. But if you want only like integrated only several persons for this particular topics, so you can choose here. For example, I only I will do all of the students and right away assign the work. So after teacher sign, and the students will have their stream update and they will see the assignment. After they opened, they will open the collaboration work, and all of these students can work together in one file. Obviously, you cannot make assignment for 100 people in one file. It's very chaotic, but this is only the idea. So this, teachers already make the instruction. You explain Zoom app features for online learning, duration in 20 minutes or maybe in 1 week, for example, and make a slide. So students with their friends will collaborate to make the presentation slide. And after that, you may ask them to present their work using Zoom application face-to-face. So all students can write down all of this slide. And that is how you assignment for collaboration assignment types.